say these channels. This is not what I want to just this hospital.
Is the name? I don't even got no name. They need to get together. Okay, only one side of the door is working, okay? Oh, that's nice. Crazy. And then I don't like this new check it system either.
You patiently wait in the waiting room before surgery. We definitely need our this is the hospital, guys. I'm not to blur her face out. We definitely need a number. I would rather be called by a number. I mean my name than a number. And this is my number that I'm gonna be called. They're gonna call me by.
They would say 2 or 3, 5, 7, 0.
Patient tracking number.
You gotta track me right. When babe about to go in
About
for
to
surgery.
get this knee surgery. You supposed to hold it the other way up.
When babe about to go get surgery.
About to get this meniscectomy and repair meniscus tear repair. See my ugly socks? See these little socks, yellow socks?
I need everybody to pray for my baby.
This doggone stocking. This stocking, I'm gonna blur it out. This stocking is to keep from getting blood clots. So I don't get blood clots.
We need all prayer we can get.
Then they had to put this. They had to put this
You got an IV in her arm.
I had to get this IV put. You don't have to be that close. They had to put the IV in this left arm because I'm having surgery on the right knee. And then the little medical alarm and IV. They got the IV running. About to go in and it's scheduled for 10:30. This is not a watch. I don't know why I'm looking at this. Not a watch. Scheduled for 10:30.
It's 10:15.
Yes, we vlogging. We doing this meniscus tear vlog for you guys.
Ready for this to be done and over with?
I'm ready to have less pain.
Yeah,
I'm gonna tell y'all how it goes and explain to y'all exactly the procedure. I should be able to remember. I don't know for sure if I'm gonna remember, but I'm gonna try to give y'all as much details as possible. But we making this vlog for y'all. YouTube, we making this vlog for you guys, our supporters. You know?
Our supporters.
You making, and your girl ain't got no makeup on today. They made me take my eyebrow ring out. I had to take my jewelry off. But y'all know, this is my fiance, Santana. Y'all know I'm engaged. But they made me take it off. That's the only time it's coming off. You know. But they didn't tell you I take no nails off. Definitely, these my real nails. I'm not taking my nails off. I couldn't do that. No way. These is not fake. These are my real nails. So, sometimes people got to take their nails off. But, fortunately, these don't come off. These grew from out of my nails, you know. So, these are not going to come off. Most times when people make videos and they got to have surgery procedures done, yes, this right knee surgery getting done, they usually have to take their nails off and jewelry, but I didn't have to take none of that off. So, guys, I'm about to get ready to go. Roll down the hallway and go have this procedure done.
I'm trying to stay strong. I'm trying to. As much as I can.
And I shall return The meniscectomy is what the operation is called that I am undergoing. It is a procedure. It's a partial meniscectomy. A partial meniscectomy is something you have when your bones are worn down. Hello. This is Sadie's, and this is the Santana
bones
and
are worn
Sadie's
down.
channel. Welcome.
If you don't know who I am,
This is your knee.
I am basically explaining to you guys that I am under a general
This
anesthetic.
basically happens
And
when
in this picture,
you stretch your knee
I
out
am
too far,
very
and there is
drowsy,
a tear,
like very
the
sleepy.
menisci,
And it took me a
It's
while
called-
to wake up.
I had this procedure
So Santana, my fiance,
because it has
for
been
me and
nearly a year,
because I was in a lot
and
of
my
pain,
doctor has
and
tried
I was
with
very
injections
after
to try
this
to repair my
operation was
knee,
done, but I did have
to try
a
to
meniscectomy.
let it heal on its own.
A
It did not heal.
meniscectomy
I tried
is
to rest
something
it. Pain
that
relievers did
you
not work.
have
To repair
the
a
last
meniscus
resort
tear
was to have
to shape
the
this
partial
of a
meniscectomy,
cartilage,
and
and
that's
the
what
soft
was
tissue that
done,
connects
a
your thigh bone
meniscectomy
to your shin bone.
and
These are called the menisci.
it was a
They're
very
like sharp, minor, small, very low, and very slight complications. Complications are very rare for this type of surgery. The healing period is about 5 to 6 weeks, but you are able to return back to normal activities as soon as I'll say about 3 weeks once you go to your pre-op. Once you return to the doctor and the doctor clears you. But there is chances where you may have to rest your knee. You have to keep your knee elevated, keep yourself comfortable, taking medication like NSAIDs. You can take naproxen, Motrin, Tylenol. I am on a higher dose of pain medicine because I have another health condition. And I was required to continue with my pain medication that I already currently on, but I also am on the Tylenol with codeine and hydrocodone 10. Meniscus repair are usually low risk complications when you have that type of operation for a meniscus tear. It's a very common knee injury. Most of the time, people would take pain medications and get injections to help repair it. A lot of people get these in football. They get them in different contact sports, body contact sports. This is a common injury. And the cushion in your knee, once you have the meniscus tear repair and treatment, you can return back to normal activities in less than 5 to 6 weeks. Also, there is teens that can get this, especially in high school and college, during the winter months and in the summer months as well, when they're playing like soccer or any activities using their lower extremities. But that's basically the procedure that I had, and I wanted to come share with you guys and video record it. But you are not allowed to record in the surgery room, and you get a short amount of time in the recovery room. So I basically am explaining to you guys the procedure, what to expect after, what to expect when you first go in for it. And basically I showed you guys when you first come in, you go in the waiting area, you sign in, you get checked in. Once you get checked in, they take you back, you change into a gown. Once you put into the gown, you put on the yellow socks, you put on the one stocking, and that stocking is the TED stocking to keep you from getting any blood clots. And then on the other side, you have on just the one yellow sock
which is basically the ones that you wear to keep you from slipping, and forest socks. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's not very long. We did the best that we could as far as being able to record for you guys this procedure. I wanted to share with you guys, and I hope you guys have a blessed day, a blessed weekend. I'm sorry about the video being late. The surgery did go well, and I thank you all for all your prayers, your wishes, your get wells. We love you guys. Thank you guys for showing continuous love, and thank you guys again for helping us reach over 250 subscribers. I hope you guys stay tuned for the giveaway tomorrow on Friday. Bye bye.